Hello all, here I'm unboxing a ceiling light Banggood kindly sent me. Just a short video this one, as I hadn't really planned to feature this one on its own. I was just going to sneak a mention of it into another video. But the difference it made is night and day, and I thought it worth putting it under the spotlight. Boom boom. So the light from this is described as daylight, essentially bright white, ideal for a workshop. As you can see, it has 3 tilting or deformable blades around the central rose. Despite fitting as any ordinary light bulb would, with a switch on the wall somewhere, this includes its own on-off as well in the form of a blue rubber button. So there's many of these lights on Banggood, and they all seem to be the screw-in type. My garage workshop has the bayonet, so I picked up one of these screw-in holders. Bit of a close look there, you can make out the LED arrays behind protective clear plastic. All around the LEDs are aluminium heat sinks, which is good to see. All these are hinged, giving around 90 degrees of movement. Here then is a look at why the lighting in my videos is always absolutely garbage. Just look how dimly lit that is. I have a single 100 watt supposedly daylight bulb, but it's pretty useless on its own. I rent this place and I'm not allowed to fit anything more appropriate. To boost the light when I need it, I have my trusty Bosch sight light tucked away up there. It's powerful, but it absolutely eats batteries, and to be honest, it performs much better throwing light over a larger space than a confined one like this. On the occasions where I'm filming, it'll just white out any detail shots. Let's get this thing made for the job fitted then. Hello all, post-edit Stu here. I might be stating the obvious, but if your bulb holders are already the screw-in type, you just unscrew your old bulb and screw in the new Banggood one. What follows is me showing the conversion from my old bayonet type holder to the new screw-in one. Cheers. Switch flipped off at the consumer unit, light being provided by the Bosch sight light, I can dismantle the existing bulb holder and see what I'm dealing with. Thankfully, I'll be able to just swap the guts of the new screw-in holder for the old bayonet one, just wiring in a single live and neutral. That way I won't have to mess about with the commons and all the rest of it you have from the switch. That's the bit I'm talking about there. The old mount has these tabs to seat it among all the terminals. Straight swap out, no one need ever know, let's keep it between us. Like I say, just a simple matter of screwing in the live and the neutral, marked with insultingly tiny L and N respectively on the new terminals. Screw on the enclosure, and we're ready to rock and roll. What is it with the threads on these things? I always find them so hard to engage on light fittings. Anyway, 5 minutes of faff, and I can screw in the new light. Moment of truth shot. Sight light turned off, I run indoors and flip the switch on the consumer unit, and whee! Good lord, that's an insane difference. Look at how white and bright the light is. Even in the darkest reaches at the back by the extractor there, look. Only one leaf facing that way and all. I know it was only a minute ago, but here's a reminder of how the old bulb lit the place. And here's the new. That's ridiculous, I love it. I do apologise for the state of the workshop, by the way. During these couple of icy months, I've been catching up on design work on the PC and doing upholstery bits. Can't believe the new light levels though, I'm so happy. So the light's details then. It's variable voltage, AC 100 to 277 volt, IP65 rated, meaning dustproof and resistant to water splashes. This 3-leaf one contains 250 LED beads, has 80 watt power, giving a luminous flux rating of 7,600. It's on Banggood currently for $20.49, which is about £16. Which, even though Banggood sent me this at no cost for review purposes, I'll be more than happy to pay for the improvement in light, no question. I will of course leave a link to my particular light if you're interested in it, but I'll also leave a link that will show you a good number of these types of lights. There's larger and smaller ones on there, ones with more or less leaves, warm and coloured light versions, all that jazz. Prices from under a tenner to about 50 quid too. Have a look around. I hope despite my impromptu janky filming of fitting this, I got across okay the improvement in light. Hopefully the thing lasts a good while. LEDs can last decades, but sometimes a crap built-in transformer can cut their life short. Fingers crossed, but for now, what a difference. That'll do it then, I think. Fire away with any questions or comments below, sub if you aren't already, like if you did, and as ever, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching.